Hello children of class 6. Today your Bridget ma'am will teach you grammar lesson 2, countable and uncountable nouns. Before starting on the topic lesson, let me introduce the 8 parts of speech to you. Just look at the chart. You have 8 parts of speech. Nouns, number 1, adverbs, verbs, adjectives, preposition, conjunction, pronoun, interjection. Make sure you know the names with spellings. Then you have the definition of countable nouns. As this is our topic lesson, please be very clear with the topic. Countable nouns are for things we can count using numbers. They have a singular and a plural form. The singular form can use the determiner a or an. Going on to the next, uncountable noun. Definition. Uncountable noun is a type common noun that be modified by a number without specifying a unit of measurement. Now you have in your book, countable nouns are things we can count. They can be singular or plural. Chair, chairs, bottle, bottles. Uncountable nouns are things we cannot count. They are always singular and do not have a plural form. Milk, furniture, money. Now, I hope you have a look at the colorful chart that gives you a clear picture of differentiation between countable and uncountable nouns. Now you have all the pictures very clearly, very colorful. Make sure you make a chart in your copy when you are doing the exercises in your so that your question is very clear and the topic of the lesson is also clear of all the things that are countables and all that are uncountables. Now, coming back to your exercises, page number 6. Page number 7. We must be careful with the words that we use with countable and uncountable nouns. Some can be used with countable nouns and some others with uncountable nouns. We can use only a few with both. Let us look at the table to understand this better. Now, exercise A, I have typed it for you. When the lesson is over, you will get your answers. But please read the lesson, read the exercises thoroughly, and then only you take down the answers correctly. Use with countable nouns. A and the, a bag and the table. Some, many, any, few, a few, a lot of, lots of, how many, these, a large number of, number, enough, plenty of. Some flowers, many friends, any container, few questions, a few problems, a lot of biscuits, lots of toffees, how many apples, these seats, a large number of students, no babies, enough tables, plenty of pillows. Coming to the next page, page number 8. Use with uncountable nouns. The, when referring to something specific, the milk. Much, a little, any, how much, a lot of, lots of, this, a large amount of, number, enough, plenty of. Much time, a little patience, any time, how much sugar, a lot of courage, lots of space, this liquid, a large amount of oil, no peace, enough money, plenty of enthusiasm. Used with both countable and uncountable nouns. The, some, any, no, a lot of, lots of, no, enough, plenty of. Now your exercise of B, C and D are there again, done at the end of the lecture. Going on to your F exercise, that is read this story. I'll read them for you, and then the listing of the answers is done again in the answer section. Typed. Naziruddin earned his living selling eggs. One day someone came to his shop and said, "Guess what I have in my hand?" "Give me a clue," said Naziruddin. "I shall give you several clues. It has the shape of an egg and the size of an egg. It looks like an egg, tastes like an egg, and smells like an egg. Inside it is yellow and white. It is liquid before it is cooked, becomes thick when heated. It was moreover laid by a hen." "Aha, I know," said Naziruddin. "It's some sort of cake." Now here again you have to make a chart. That is done for you, typed. Countable and uncountable nouns. Coming to the exercise, that colorful page of page number 11. Work in pairs. Talk about the 6 differences between these pictures. Remember to use countable and uncountable nouns in your sentences. Like, example, is there any milk? Are there 6 eggs? Children, please do all exercises from A to F in your copies. Write the definition first as showed in the picture. The objects of countable and uncountable nouns in the chart, the colorful chart that I have shown the picture for you. Then the exercises. Make sure you know the differences when questioned in class. Please study, children, then play. Thank you.